Good afternoon. Sunday the 25th of February, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Sun's beating down. Really cold at night though. About -5 last night. Give -6 tonight, and I think Tuesday, Wednesday's -6, -7. But the heater's been working hard through the night, and I've been maintaining around 15, 16 degrees at night, so not too much of a worry. So this morning I decided to pot on the onions into 50-litre pots. They were in 18-litre pots, but I was fearful they were root bound, or becoming root bound. I didn't want to stress the plants too much, so I potted them on. Like I said, now in the 50-litre air pots, well watered in, and basking in the sun. Still got the LEDs on, as you can see. No pest problems. I'm treating everything with Invigorator once a week religiously on the weekends. So fairly happy the way it's going. Get a bit closer so you can have a look. Okay. You see they're all fairly happy. I think the biggest ones have got around 12, 13 leaves now. So yeah, very happy. Maybe a bit too far advanced. I don't really know, I'm not an expert, but maybe they'll come early, who knows. Smaller ones, these are in the 38-litre air pots. Again, I potted them on about 2 weeks ago. Doing okay. They're under CFLs and 11 hours a day. Like I said, I haven't watered these for around 10 days now. Probably another few more days, and then I'll put the automatic irrigation on. Not quite sure how much I'm going to feed them yet with water, but yeah, so happy. Other stuff, leeks, show onions, dahlias, and begonias just starting to come through now. Chilies, gone a bit leggy because I haven't got any more lights for them, but they'll be fine. When I pot them up, I'll just bury them a bit deeper. So leeks are starting to come alive now. A bit slow going, but hopefully they'll pick up. So that's it. The video is a week or so early than a month, but I thought I'd give you an update now as the potting on. Okay, that's it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.